up, you guys? Welcome to the vlog. So we just pulled up to the mall. We're getting ready to run inside because I have an appointment at Apple, but we have lots of ripping and running to do today. It is a teacher work day, so I have the crew with me. The girls are here, and inside we're gonna hit up Apple, and then we do have an upcoming sports party that we are going to be attending, and we need to get some jerseys. So we're going to take a peek in lids, have a look at a couple of jerseys, and then I might get the girls some new shoes. I don't know. We're just gonna see the options. We have to hit up Target. We have to go to Ulta to get some more hair products for the girls. Trader Joe's is on the list. So lots of ripping and running. Today is a busy day for me. I would have done all this stuff while the girls were in school, but it's a teacher work day, so they're coming with, you guys are coming with. Let's running here before I'm late to my appointment. My computer has been crashing, so we got to get that checked out. So I'll see you guys inside. The girls are here. Ooh, Ava has a fruit cup. Whoa, there's a dragon in there. Wow. It says, Happy Halloween. Wow, they have a haunted house.
They're going trick-or-treating.
Is checked off the list. They have resolved my computer issues. Now we are heading downstairs to find lids and look at the jerseys. We're going on the escalator. One goes down, one goes up. So as soon as you get up, you gotta put your feet. Come on, hold my hand. Come on, everybody, 1, 2, 3, jump.
I'm the escalator.
It's wiggly?
Yes.
Mini size? Okay, hold on.
Sorry.
Perfect, thank you. We're looking, but not just a particular style. We're just trying to see what speaks out to us. Look, Tatiana, what about, Ava, what about these?
Oh, no. I want to have these.
Huh?
I want to have these.
You like those?
No fair. I want the strawberry one. There's no.
Well, let's look at another store and then we'll come back.
Okay. Hey, Mommy. There's a picture of a girl that has curls up here. What about you?
Oh, yeah. Her curls look cute.
I look like that dude.
The day is getting away from me, guys. I had a lot of things planned, and the only things checked off the list are the mall. Just finished up Target. The girls are starving, and I don't want to go back home because I'm in the mix. I need to hit up Trader Joe's still. We just came across the street. Chipotle was the closest thing, so we're gonna run in here and get them something to eat so that we can continue on this journey.
I came to save today. It is really packed here.
Oh, it is. And we ain't get no water. Not this. these streets all day long. I didn't even make it to Trader Joe's because I just realized that the girls have soccer practice today. So we just got home. I'm about to change them out and get them into their soccer clothes, and then we have to take off to soccer, which we have about 45 minutes until their practice. This is all the stuff we were out getting today. We went like crazy. We got a bunch of stuff. The girls got a bunch of new clothes and some shoes. Straight. Where that door is open, that's where you need to go. We have arrived to soccer practice. I had to change. It's a tad bit hot out here. Ooh. So busy ripping and running today that I almost forgot that they had practice. But they're out there, they're practicing, kicking the ball around. I'm gonna make use of this time and I'm gonna get some editing done per usual, and then we're gonna head home and eat dinner and get washed up and get ready for bed. It's been a busy day. Good morning, you guys. It is the next beautiful day. Yesterday after soccer, it was just so hectic for me. We rushed home to have dinner and shower and get ready for bed and all that jazz. So I did not finish the vlog yesterday, so I'm picking up the camera this morning and bringing you guys along for a second day. So as yesterday was so busy for me, I didn't even get to go get groceries at Trader Joe's. So that is what we're about to do. I just dropped the girls off at school, and the first stop on the list is Trader Joe's. I'm gonna run in here and get some groceries, and then we are going to continue on with our wonderful day. You guys, after ripping and running, I was able to get home and put the groceries away, tidy up a little bit, water my plants, all those good things. And now I need to get started on some dinner. So I'm gonna take the easy route today, and I'm gonna make some tacos. I know for one, my kids love those, and for two, they come together fairly easy. So that is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start browning up the ground beef. Soon it's gonna be time to go pick up the girls. Today, you guys know, it goes by so quick. I don't have a whole lot of time left. I'm gonna get dinner going, and then we'll be headed to pick up the girls. I am at the school, you guys, patiently waiting, and I'm tired. I'm tired, you guys. It's been a long day so far. But of course, you guys know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to edit, get some editing done while I'm here, be productive with my time. I'll open the windows because it's a nice breeze. So I'm gonna wait for the kiddos to get in the car. The girls are home from school. They're having a little fruit snack right now, and we're watching some Hocus Pocus.
I'm away from strawberries.
Give me some sugar booger. So I browned the ground beef earlier before I picked them up. I just need to chop up the fixings now. I need to grate the cheese.
I want more strawberries.
I need to grate the cheese and chop up the lettuce. And we're gonna eat soon because I'm a tad bit hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes.
We hungry? So I guess I need to get up and do that.
I want a cracker.
the garden, just having a look around. So I wanted y'all to see this pumpkin. Look at this pumpkin, you guys. It's supposed to be a pink pumpkin. This is the porcelain doll pumpkin. And we have another one in here. So I was just out here doing my rounds before we head upstairs and get the girls in the bath. So I'm gonna end this video here, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.